Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm Ghazalaha and I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be super interesting as we are going to talk about Dot and Key skincare products. So now without any delay, let's just start the video. So if you guys are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as every week we come up with very interesting makeup, fashion and lifestyle videos. So now it's time to dive into Dot and Key skincare products. So the first product that we are talking about is this Dot and Key Skin Moisturizer, and this moisturizer is going viral so much on all over the internet as it has ceramides in it and hyaluronic. So all the celebrities like Alia Bhatt and Kriti Sanan are talking about ceramide. So let's just understand a bit of ceramide. So ceramide is actually present in our skin, and as we age, the portion of ceramide decreases in our skin. So in order to maintain that, what we do is we apply ceramides in our skin, and the ceramide is so safe that we can mix it with any actives like vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol. It is very safe to mix it with as ceramide is already present in our skin. And this cream is priced at rupees 395 rupees. So in 395 we are getting a very interesting formula which is a mixture of ceramide and hyaluronic acid which will completely help our skin in hydration throughout the day. Let's talk about the texture also. The texture of this cream is very light. As you can see, this absorbs into our skin like a magic. It's very lightweight. The texture is very creamy and it even gives a very light shine also. So now let's talk about sunscreen. So I have ordered three sunscreen from Dot and Key, and one is vitamin C plus E based, one is watermelon cooling sunscreen, and the third one is the stick sunscreen. So let's just discuss this all sunscreen one by one. So this is how the packaging of both the sunscreen looks like, and both are priced at rupees 445, and both are SPF 50 PA plus plus plus. And this let's first talk about this sunscreen. So this sunscreen is vitamin C plus E super bright sunscreen water light, and it has UVA plus UVB blue light protection, and it says it leaves no white cast and active vitamin D receptors it has. So this the quantity of this cream is 50 grams. So let's just apply it. This is my second bottle that I've ordered. I have used this cream before also. So the best thing about this Dot and Key sunscreen is that it doesn't leave any white cast. So since I'm a makeup artist and I create content every day, so it's very important for me that my makeup should not give white shine or white cast. So that's why I really love these products. It leaves no white cast. So first, the consistency of this cream also is very runny, and it is very easy to blend, I must say, since it has vitamin C plus E, and we all know that vitamin C gives a very beautiful brightening effect to our skin, and it gives brightening effect in such a way that it doesn't look like that we have applied any makeup product or illuminator in our skin. It gives a very natural illuminator effect, as you can see. Now let's talk about this sunscreen. The best part about this sunscreen that it gives a very cooling effect instantly. That's why I love this product. And apart from that, it gives a more matchy look. So if I want a dewy look on my face, I prefer the vitamin C plus E sunscreen. If I want a very matte look on my face, then I always go for watermelon cooling sunscreen. And let me show you the texture of this sunscreen also on my hand. So let me just rub it. So I say it has got a gel-like texture. It feels like that I'm applying a gel, and it is blending in a faster way as compared to that cream, and it is giving a matte look. It has got no shine like vitamin C plus E cream, as it was giving a very bright effect to my hand, and it has given a very matte look to my hand. So both have got very different purposes. Both are serving very different purposes. The one thing that is same in both the creams are that both are SPF 50 PA plus plus plus, and both are not leaving any white cast. So even if you're with makeup, without makeup, we don't like, the product with the white cast. So that's the best thing about these sunscreens. So that's why I have ordered both the sunscreen. Now let's talk about this sunscreen stick. So this is the first time that I have ordered a sunscreen stick. So many people are promoting sunscreen stick that it is very comfortable to use. We can reapply it easily, and it is bag friendly. Easily we can carry it in our bags. And apart from that, some people also say that we can also apply this onto our makeup, and our makeup will not separate. So that's why I really wanted to try this. So let's just open it, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like, and I've opened it. And there's one more seal present to it. Let me just open that seal. Yeah, and it has this system where you have to roll it and our sunscreen will come out. So let me just apply it onto my cheeks. This is very smooth. It is gliding like a butter, and I have not applied anything. I have just applied a simple moisturizer, I mean. It is not at all greasy. One thing I can clearly say that it is giving a slight dewy effect. If you compare my before and after of this video, I can clearly see that there is a little bit of shine and dewiness on my face. So that's the thing I'm loving about it. So now let's talk about the ingredient that is present in this sunscreen stick. The ingredients that are present is strawberry, hyaluronic acid, ceramides. So ceramides is something that everyone is talking about. So definitely, I'm sure this cream will do a miracle to my skin. 5 UV filters. So I must say, this seems like a very good cream, and it is priced at 595. So I think so many good ingredients in rupees 595, and that too in a stick form. As currently, if we check on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, the sunscreen stick is overly priced, but this is a very affordable price as compared to other brands. So it's definitely a thing that we all should try and look how this works. Now we are back to creams. So now we are talking about this cream, Dot& Key Retinol plus Ceramide Night Repair Cream. So definitely I have ordered this cream for my night care routine. So we all know, again, I'm talking about ceramide, and even on internet, Instagram, all the channels that are social media based, everyone is talking about ceramide. So yeah, so retinol is something that I have been using from last 2 to 3 years. And even dermats now also says, if you guys follow any dermats, they also say that after 24 or 25 years we all should start applying retinol onto our skin, and we should start with a small quantity, then we should increase the quantity of that. So as I told you before also, that ceramide is an ingredient that is already is a part of our skin, and we can mix it with any active. So it's completely safe to say that retinol plus ceramide will work wonder for the night skin routine. So let's just open it and check how this cream looks like, whether it's a transparent cream or it has a color or it has any fragrance. So it has got no fragrance. And this is how this cream looks like. It's actually giving, this color is actually similar to the rose quartz color, if you know rose quartz color. Let me just apply it into our skin. This is also again a gel based moisturizer, and it is gliding so easily, so smoothly, and it's very lightweight. It is not at all greasy. So definitely, I feel that this product is a very versatile product for our night care routine, as it has retinol plus ceramide inside it. And talking about the price, it is priced at rupees 695 rupees, and the quantity is 60 ml. So I feel retinol is a expensive ingredient, so we are getting 60 ml at this price is a good deal. So definitely it's a good product if you wanna start retinol. Now talking about the second moisturizer, it is Dot& Key Vitamin C plus E moisturizer. This moisturizer is one of my favorite moisturizer because it has shea butter also in it, and as we all know that vitamin C is something which helps in giving brightening effect to our skin, and apart from that it also helps in reducing pigmentation and also helps in healing very dull and pale skin. And apart from that, it has collagen production, which actually helps in achieving very toned, bright, and glowing skin, which is why I absolutely loved it. And yeah, it is priced at rupees 550, and the bottle size of this cream is 60 ml. Well, I forgot to show you the texture of this cream. So this has a jelly based texture, if you can see. And yeah, it also blends very smoothly in our skin and gives a very brightening, shiny, beautiful effect. And it has got a very different lemony fragrance, and I love it. And one additional tip I want to talk about this cream is that I use this cream with my foundation, with my blush, with my illuminating highlighters. So you can also use it, and it gives a very beautiful dewy effect to your face. Then the next product that I ordered is this eye patches, and these eye patch is priced at rupees 895, and it has 60 patches. So before that I have used Swiss Beauty eye patch, and that has worked wonder for me. And since we all know that eye skin is the skin that is the most sensitive skin of our face, so we should definitely take care of that skin. For that purpose I ordered this eye patch. And talking about the ingredients, it has hyaluronic and niacinamide present in it. So, and it is advisable that we should apply these patches before our skincare, before we start prepping for our skincare. So, what we do is we take out the product. Let me just show you how this product looks. It comes with one small spatula. So, this is how a eye patch looks like. If you can see, it is advisable that you pick the eye patch always with the help of spatula. This is how it looks, and this is actually in the shape of our eye. So we follow the direction of our eyes and we apply it, and we leave the patch for 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that we start with our second step of skincare, that is toner. So, if you guys are dealing with the puffiness or have dark circles, have dark pigmentation, or you want to feel even relaxed, so I must say that you should definitely go and check out this product, as it gives very relaxation feeling to our eyes. And apart from that, it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which will also heal our skin slowly, slowly. I'll not say that this will give instant result. You apply it for a month or two, then you will definitely feel difference in your skin, and definitely you'll see that your whole face will look so even, and all the thing that you'll apply on your skin will look definitely so beautiful. Time for the last product that I've received. This product I've received as a sample. So the name of this product is Sika Plus Niacinamide Oil Free Moisturizer. So this product is basically for the skin which is acne prone, sensitive, and oily skin. I have a dry skin, so I'm not sure how this cream works out on my skin, and I have to use this cream for like a month or two, then I can share my honest opinion on this cream. And till then, as per my research, this cream works definitely good on those skin which have got acne problem, and it even reduces the appearance of acne as per the people reviews. So I have to try it, then I can share the opinion. Otherwise I can say it has a very cute packaging. And let's see how this cream looks from inside. So this is again transparent color. Let's just apply it on our hand. It is blending very easily in my hand, and it has no fragrance at all. And let's see how it will work on my skin. So that's all from my side today. ये मेरा personal opinion है regarding Dot and Key skincare products, since I'm using this products from so long. So if you guys liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section आपको सबसे अच्छा कौन सा product लगा और कौन सा product आप try करना चाहेंगे. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you next time.